1.
Hi, this is Prakashini. Today I'll share my experience on different brokers and why did I change my broker to ICICI Direct. As you know, in our country, the brokerage industry is not so transparent and there is no universal rule for everybody. Therefore, the new customers may face several challenges to choose the right broker for them. Please do not consider this as a recommendation or advice to ICICI Direct. I started my trading journey with Sharekhan, then moved to Upstox, Zerodha, Fires, Interactive and ICICI. So I can give my experience on these brokers. Selection of a broker is basically depend on trading personality. I am a future and option trader with an aim to generate 4 to 5% of return on my trading capital. I mostly create positional and non-directional trades in index and stock options, but I have also an aim to build a portfolio of fundamentally valued stocks for next 10 years. However, my trading capital is limited. How can I achieve the above two objectives? Number one, to build a portfolio as well as to trade and future and options to generate 4 to 5% of income. Therefore, I was in constant search for a broker who can fulfill my trading personality. Recently, I came to know about the services of ICICI Direct. Also, some of the key reasons to shift ICICI Directs are following. Number 1. Place my holding for margin with no interest. Some brokers charge interest for share against margin, but ICICI do not charge any brokerage on share against margin. I will demonstrate on ICICI portal the same. The second reason is 100% use of placed margin in future and option trading with no additional cash components for M2M losses. Some brokers require availability of 50% cash and some require at least M2M losses in your trading account. However, ICICI does not. Withdrawal of cash when I am in need. Basically, most of the brokers require T plus 2 days to settle and transfer the money to the bank account. However, with ICICI Direct, I can get the money instantly, that is less than 2 minutes to my bank account. Number 4. Transparency on charges. Most of the broker, they only display the brokerage in the statement or their portal. There are many types of charges they deduct from our trading account, which we do not know on day-to-day basis. However, ICICI Direct displays all charges in their portal. The full brokerage of ICICI Direct is also appreciating. They also provide a dedicated RM to resolve your queries. Next one, the loan against securities facility of ICICI Direct is also interesting. Any unforeseen situations, we can place our holding and get the money into our bank account in low interest rate. Most of the brokers charge 18% interest rate for this service. Next one, the margin trading facility of ICICI Direct is also competitive in comparison to other brokers. Sometimes we may not have enough capital to buy a stock. When that stock comes to an attractive level, for example, during the corona crash, most of the valued stock came to a very attractive level and then bounced back to all-time high and multiplies 3-4 times of investment. In such conditions, investors may take benefit of the margin trading facility of ICICI, which provides at low interest rate less than 10% annually. Next one. And of course, everybody is interested to low brokerage with all the above facility. ICICI brokerage charges only 20 rupees for future and options, and if you select the option 20 plan, it will charge us 5 rupees for additional lots in future and option. Let me demonstrate you the above region in ICICI portal. Let me log in to my account. So the brokerage plan, for that I need to get to setting, then select my brokerage plan. Here you see I have opted the prime plan 299. For that my brokerage is like this. I am giving 0.5% for my delivery, 0.015 for equity future, 20 rupees for option, currency and commodity. Then next, let me show you what are the hidden charges deducted in my account. For that I need to go to setting. Then I will click the debit or credit note. Here I need to select the date. Let me select the current financial year. Then select the debit note and click on view. Here you will see all the charges that are applicable in my account since April 2021. Here you see the ICICI charges only 20 rupees for pledging a script, whereas the most of the broker charge 50 to 100 rupees. Since I have opted the MTM facility, these are the interests. Apart from this, I have not paid anything extra. Let me show you the interest calculation on MTF. For that, I will go to equity, then click on open position. So these are the script that I have taken through margin. Here you see I am taken this amount as margin. Let me show you the interest on it. For that I need to click on interest on outstanding settlements. I need to select the exchange NSE. Then period the current financial year. Then click on view. So the interest is charged on daily basis. You see, this is the amount. This is the interest rate. And this is the interest amount. If you see, I have taken 2 lakhs. I have taken 2 lakhs of margin and paying 49 rupees interest per day. till date I have paid 1377 rupees as interest. I believe this is a very interesting service for me. Let me show you the future and option trading. Through pledging, for that I need to click future and option. Then click on portfolio. These are the position. You see, these are the position I have taken using the share as margin facility. So here, if you want to know the details of that, you can click the share as margin. For example, if I want to place this gold ETF, then I hold in my portfolio. I just simple click here. It will show me how much money I'll get for my trading without any interest. You simply click here, place and allocate to F&O. Then click confirm. These are the pledged security that I have taken for my option trading. I have taken amount of 8,30,000 for my future and option trading without any interest. My plan is to build long-term portfolio of fundamentally valued stocks and utilized those capital for my trading to generate 4 to 5% of income. If you have any doubts or queries related to this video, please ask me in comment section or through my Telegram channel given in the description. Thank you.